Hello, dear friends of Willows Dogs Park in Uganda. Thank you for whatever you have done for us in our recent days, and thank you very much for being with us and our animals here. My name is Frank from Willows. Today I came to inform you about my program right now. Recently we got some problems as our account was hacked by a Chinese called Zhang Tian. But currently she's out and we are running the account again. She deleted all the posts, as you can see there. We have no posts right now. They are there, but they are not more. So by the time this account was messed up, we had rescued more new 35 dogs to make a total of more than 40 stray dogs under our program. So today I have came to inform you that we have just rescued 45 new stray dogs, and we need some food, medication and shelter. As you know, it is not easy to feed these stray dogs because they are many. They need much food and the rent increased, as you all know. So please donate in the link in our bio to help us with food and medication plus rent. Anything you contribute shall be highly appreciated. Remember that sharing is caring and caring is love. So if we give, we don't give because we are rich, but we give because we have the kindness about the animals and we need them to thrive as you do too. So please just help us. Every dollar counts, every penny counts. Let it $1, maybe 2, 5 and many more can help us in this project of rescuing these homeless dogs and feeding them, because you all know the problems of sleeping on empty bellies. It is not simple, so don't let these beautiful souls sleep on empty bellies. I want to encourage you that you adopt those dogs out of the shelters. Our shelter is a no-kill shelter, and we are ready to hold all the strays until they get their forever home. So I just want to tell you and request you to adopt all these strays from the kill shelters so that they may survive. I want to rescue more and more. Right now we have more than 40, and with time I want my rescue to hold more than at least 200 dogs so that we can minimize the number of the strays going to the kill shelters.